Shubo and Nguri in the house, back with another bang on video where, ladies and gentlemen, Gabriel Martinelli is itching to get back to football. He says, I can't wait to be back on the pitch again. And that's exactly what he posted on his Instagram. A heartfelt message, ladies and gentlemen. But moving on, the government is not convinced that the Premier League can resume yet, even behind closed doors, despite extensive contingency planning, including for the potential of playing the remaining matches at neutral venues. Cultural Secretary Olivier Dowden warned that the game is yet to get the green light. Moving on, one Arsenal fan has put face masks on all the players around the Emirates Stadium. Well, that is one way to actually tell the world that you need to be safe. Beautiful. Moving on. Well, clubs will vote on having a small transfer window between June 24th and June 30th for clubs to approach out of contract players who've not received or have declined an offer of a new deal from their existing club. Arsenal could therefore be very active if the new window is agreed. And Chelsea forward Willian has already been inundated with offers and is understood to be considering an offer of a contract at Arsenal. Moving on, manager Mikel Arteta has been told that he will be limited to free transfers this summer, so Arsenal could be very active if the new window is agreed. Sean McAway confirms reports he talked with Arsenal coach Mikel Arteta recently. The Kroenke employees shared ideas about handling the current challenges. He says, he's really an impressive guy. I think he'll do a great job. I'm certainly a fan of Arsenal and love following them. Well, in normal circumstances, out-of-contract players are free to talk to other clubs from third week of May, but the Premier League want to push this period of negotiating back a month to prevent players who could still play for their existing clubs if the season resumes in June being unsettled. Let's see how things will turn out to be. And Jan Vertonghen, Pedro, Adam Lallana, Ryan Fraser and David Silva are all available, who could lead to a frantic week of activity at the end of June, with clubs scrambling for free transfers if the proposals are accepted. Let's see. And also, James Benge says, if anyone can work out a way of paying Thomas Partey's release clause without actually paying it, I think it might be Raul Sanyehi. Moving on, Arsene Wenger has spoken about Arsenal. He says, I worry about the club still a lot and I watch all of the games. I believe there is a culture in the way to play football at Arsenal that I want to be respected, and I hope Mikel can get that back. I think I love the professor. It's unbelievable. But moving on, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang is the third fastest player in the world. Number one on that list. We all know, you can see the image to find it out. But moving on. Well, Arsene Wenger on his time at Arsenal says, I'm proud at the end of the day. When you look back, you don't think about what you won and what you lost so much, but I'm proud of for having the attitude just to serve the club as long as I was there. I have more satisfaction today when I look back and I see the Emirates. We built all that without a penny from anybody, and today the club can take off even more and be more successful, and that is a huge thing. But moving on, fears that 50 Premier League stars are ready to snub plans to restart season. The Premier League's Project Restart plan wants to bring action back behind closed doors next month, but stars still need to be satisfied that it will be safe to return or not. One club said that they expected 2 or 3 players from every club would have major concerns about returning to training and games under the Project Restart plan. Players have voiced out concerns about passing on the virus to family members. One Premier League player said he would refuse because of worries about his 6-week-old baby and loved ones with underlying health conditions. Arsenal have been monitoring Gerson this season. His father and agent know Raul Sanyehi very well. Gerson almost signed for Barcelona when he was 17. Gerson's father says Arsenal are extremely interested in signing his son. The 22-year-old Flamengo central midfielder, has also attracted interest from Tottenham and Borussia Dortmund. So I'm going to share a video of how quick this person is. You will definitely come to know by watching this video.
O Flamengo tem um futebol mais leve, mais envolvente. Olha lá, novamente.
Gerson, linda bola pro Bruno Henrique. Saiu Cássio, Bruno Henrique tocou. Gol!
Well, moving on, Arsene Wenger deserves a statue at the Emirates for his successes at the Gunners and driving the move to the new stadium, according to club legends Martin Keown and Ray Parlour. Here's the new fact. A series of proposals have been raised, including deciding promotion and relegation on a points per game basis using the current tables, and scrapping relegation or even voiding the campaigns altogether in the League One and League Two clubs. Moving on. Well, Here's another thing. Bed Leno has, ladies and gentlemen, spoken about Gabriel Martinelli. He says, I remember in our bad time when we struggled a lot, he was working so hard. He was one of the leaders, and at 18 years of age, he came from nowhere. Nobody knew him because before, and to play like this, to behave like this is a very good to say. Also, he said he can become a world-class player, world-class 100% because he has talent, he has quality, but I think his biggest strength is his mentality. He's working unbelievably. Moving on, while talking about Jason, Arsenal have been monitoring and his father, an agent, know Sanihi very well. So it's pretty much clear, and you already seen the video how quick this guy is. He's going to be an unbelievable force to reckon with. But Arsenal will have to pay Thomas Partey's £43.5 million release clause in full swing to bring him to the Emirates, as Alex Lacazette doesn't fit in the profile of striker that Atletico Madrid are looking for, believes the Spanish football expert Graham Hunter. He says Atleti are currently outside of the top four only by a point, but to not get into the Champions League next season would be very debilitating for the club financially. There's a need for goals, but whether Lacazette has all the requisites and the right age profile is questionable. If you look at the majority of the strikers they've purchased in their recent history, they tend to be in their very early 20s and they pick well. Lacazette has got the talent and the pace, and there's no question about that, but whether he's what Atleti need right now with his salary, I'd be a little unsure about that. But moving on, well, two 19-year-olds have been overshadowing Arsenal's skipper Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang for Arsenal's transfer speculation. I've already told you about these two guys, Norwegian winger George Lewis, who's 19, and Eskilstuna's Kosovo's wonder kid Ismet Lushaku. Let's see how things will turn out to be with them. Well, these were the news of the day. I hope you enjoyed whatever came your way. All the views and news and everything about Arsenal comes on this platform every single day, twice. So what you got to do, you just have to subscribe, hit that bell icon, because we are actually trying to reach 4,000 subscribers as soon as possible. If you guys can help me out with that, it'll be a real help. So what you got to do, very simple. If you're an Arsenal fan, if you're looking for everything about Arsenal, all you got to do is subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, cheers, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you. Cheers.